Hi, everyone. My name is Oroma Mpi-Reynolds. I am a special education attorney. I am also the founder and managing attorney of a law firm called MSR Legal and Consulting Services. We are based out of New York. We have offices in Queens and on Long Island. We serve students across New York State. I am committed to putting out these really short videos about, highlighting a development in the world of education policy with an eye towards the special needs student or the special needs parents, as I call families of children with special needs. So today, I think that it's really important to know that New York City has a new program called Summer Rising. It's like summer school reinvented from all of the material I've read about it. It sounds like it's a summer camp with some academic and other forms of enrichment. It is supposed to be a full day program between 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., so it can serve as childcare. And I think the best part of it for a lot of families is that it is free of charge. So it's something brand new called Summer Rising for special needs families. The city did put out information indicating that children with disabilities are welcome and encouraged to participate. Students that have IEPs that span a 12-month period, extended school year services, sometimes that's a full day of class along with related services. Those students can also be accommodated within the Summer Rising program, according to the material put out by the city, that when that child's school day ends over the summer around 2:30, that student can still participate in the enrichment and recreational activities. So that's definitely something for special needs families to look out for and definitely feel included in, and hopefully the city does truly make it an inclusive setting for all city children. Some other news coming out of New York, specifically New York State. The New York State Department of Education has issued guidance a few days ago to all of the districts, specifically about students who would be aging out, students who would be turning 21 this school year and wouldn't otherwise be eligible for continued special education. So, as we know, at least here in New York, when a child is no longer eligible for special education services once they get a diploma, or when they turn 21, so they can't get services beyond that particular school year. But now we have some guidance from New York State's Education Department encouraging school districts to not take such a hard line on that. I guess deadline for the child to exit the system, and the guidance, although very brief, does touch upon the negative impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on students with special needs who are in this space of trying to graduate, trying to get a Regents diploma, trying to get certain credentials, and those efforts being thwarted by the abrupt closures of schools and the hybrid and remote learning. So that's really good news for families, that families don't feel that just because your child is turning 21 this school year, that they are no longer eligible for services. According to this guidance, I think this could be really good advocacy for parents who are in this position of figuring out what their child's next step is and what that child needs in order to eventually transition out of high school and special education. So if you're a parent of a child with a disability or suspected disability and you want to know what your options are and what your rights are, you can book a consultation on my website. It's www.msrlegal.org, msrlegal.org, not .com. And you can just click on book your consultation, and I'll be happy to contact you and set up something virtually. I also have dozens and dozens of blog posts about special needs parenting and the coronavirus. So there is something for everyone, no matter your child's disability or age. There are dozens and dozens of blog posts. So I do encourage you to check it out, and I will continue to um, blog, hopefully more regularly, about some of these changes in our COVID era, and hopefully post COVID era. So thanks for watching. I am trying to do this every Friday evening, a short video targeted towards special needs parents, highlighting a specific development in education policy. So hopefully you'll catch me again next Friday evening between 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Until then, have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you soon. Bye.